Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 rear bumper light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your new light assembly and the necessary tools, such as a screwdriver and a trim removal tool. This preparation makes the replacement process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Always prioritize safety before starting any automotive work on your vehicle. Now, let's focus on removing the old light. Carefully locate and remove any retaining screws or clips that secure the light housing. With these fasteners out, gently pry the old light assembly from its position. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and mounting points for any signs of damage or corrosion. Make sure the opening is clear of any debris before proceeding. With the old light removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by securely connecting the new light's electrical plug to the vehicle's wiring harness. Carefully align the new light assembly into its designated opening, ensuring a snug fit. Reinstall any screws or clips to firmly secure the light in place. Finally, test the new bumper light to confirm it illuminates correctly. To complete the process, perform a few final checks. Verify that all segments of the new bumper light illuminate correctly when activated. Ensure the light assembly is securely and flushly fitted into the bumper, with no gaps. Remember to dispose of your old light responsibly. If you ever feel uncertain about any step, it's always wise to consider seeking professional assistance for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.